On today's Tech Under 2, we're going to bust a myth. The myth is more power means better performance? Not necessarily. Many people think that if you crank the power up on something, it's going to improve a device's performance. That's not the case. Power is crucial, yes, but it doesn't guarantee better performance. Instead, it can lead to several issues. So for example, heat generation. More power means more heat. Without the proper cooling, this can damage components and lead to a shorter device lifespan. Then there's energy efficiency. Higher power consumption can make devices less energy efficient. This leads to higher operating costs and more of an environmental impact. And then of course there's signal integrity. Excessive power can cause signal distortion, impacting the accuracy and reliability of electronic circuits. Smart engineering solutions focus on optimizing power instead of just increasing it. That's where power management comes into play, along with efficient circuit design and great materials, all to help achieve better performance without the downsides. Let's take our smartphone, for example. Our smartphone uses power-efficient processors and advanced battery management to deliver high performance without excessive power consumption. This balance is the key to developing reliable and highly efficient devices. So, more power isn't necessarily the answer. It's all about smart design and efficient use of resources.